So guys, as you can see, my PS3 is currently turned on. So right now, we're just going to turn it off. So here's the light right here. You just want to hold this button until it turns off. Keep on holding it. And now the PS3 is turned off. So now we're just going to turn it on again. We're going to go back to here, hold this button, keep on holding on it until it turns off. So it beeped once, just keep holding it. Keep on holding it. It's going to beep again, and now the light is gone. It's still turned off. Now this time, we're going to hold the button. It's going to beep once again, then it's going to beep twice, and then we're going to let go. So, there's one beep. It's going to beep again. Another beep. Now it's going to beep twice. Done. So that was 4 beeps on the last one. We're now going to be in safe mode. Now we're in safe mode. Just so you know, to use safe mode, you're going to need to have an original PS3 controller with the PS3 cable plugged into your PS3. That's how you do it.